is Art with OCRV. We're over at the body shop today. We've got a commercial delivery truck over here that got in a little twisted up rear end accident. So he got rear ended and then got pushed into another truck. So we've got the whole front end of the truck, replacing all the mechanics and sheet metal, getting ready to hang the sheet metal and get this thing into paint and get it out of here. So let's walk around the back and take a look at it as well. So you can see it's got a service bed on it and a lift gate. So the damage was pretty bad here where it got rear-ended in this lift gate and bent the frame rails down. Well, we've already had it on the frame machine and repaired all the frame equipment and everything. And getting ready to remove this lift gate, and we've got a brand new lift gate over here on the crate to install in this truck. So if you've got any commercial trucks you need help with, we're here to help. Give us a call.